Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change matchmaking preferences in Rainbow Six Siege. And to do this, we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, move to the options, and inside find General. Inside you should look for matchmaking preferences, enter it, and inside we can adjust all of the settings like game mode preferences slash training grounds, and here we can activate or deactivate eliminations, extract hostage, protect hostage, disarm bomb, lone wolf options, training grounds, and weapon damage that we can change between headshots only and default. And all of the different options, I'm not gonna read them all because there's no point, you can adjust them however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.